It was just within the air of time for a few seconds of time, not even a minute. It could survive in the air, is what the information has come through sources. And in fact, in the video that we see at the moment, how it started to fly and how it survived in the air, and the moment it got crashed in span of few seconds, we can clearly sense that it couldn't survive for half minute of something that it was scheduled to fly.
Okay.
8 minutes is something that is being given at the moment from 15 p.m. to 23 p.m.
Oh, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much, Shivani, for joining us on the broadcast. Shivani here getting us some crucial details that she is picking up from the South Block. She's picking up from the Indian Air Force headquarters. Some more details that are emerging, ladies and gentlemen, are this. At about 2:15 is when this Tejas takes off. It is supposed to fly. This is an aerial display, remember. There are hundreds of people, in fact, thousands of people who will be at the venue who are watching the plane take off. So they are shooting videos as well. The plane is supposed to fly for 8 minutes to display its prowess, to display its capabilities. But as Shivani is reporting, the Indian Air Force telling her that instead of 8 minutes, the plane crashed within only a few seconds of taking off. So the timeline is still a little hazy. But what we are learning is that it was supposed to be in the air for 8 minutes. It certainly was not in the air for 8 minutes. It possibly crashed within the first 30 seconds. It was barely in the air for a minute is what Shivani is reporting. Just to recap for our viewers, the pictures we are seeing on our screens right now. And let's just go full screen so that the impact of the crash is clearly visible for our viewers, ladies and gentlemen. This, honestly, is the most distressing set of pictures that is coming to us, the most heartbreaking set of pictures that are coming to us from the Dubai Air Show. This is where the Indian Air Force was displaying 3 Tejas jets. The Tejas are something that are made in India. It's something that India is very proud of. There are at least 36 of them that we fly in our Indian Air Force. And its safety record has been pretty decent so far. We, of course, had a crash last year, Tejas crash last year, but thankfully then the pilot had managed to eject. And the cause of the accident, the crash then, after an inquiry, was deemed to be a technical failure, an engine seizure. What is the cause of this particular crash is not something that we are aware of, because that is going to be subject to a long-drawn inquiry. But this is what happens. One of the 3 Tejas aircraft at the Dubai Air Show takes off at about 2:15. It's barely in the air for a few seconds. What it is doing is low altitude flying. The pilot tries to maneuver it to the left, or at least that's what I make out in the visuals. There you have it. Tries to maneuver it slightly to the left. The next thing you see is the Tejas nosedive and simply crash and erupt into a ball of fire. Multiple eyewitnesses on the ground, Pratibha, are telling us, in fact, not just multiple eyewitnesses, multiple aviation experts that we have spoken to in the last 20-25 minutes also seem to be certain that there has been no ejection. In the last Tejas crash, there was an ejection, which means the pilot was safe. In this case, I've seen no ejection. Therefore, the fate of the pilot, well, one doesn't know. The Indian Air Force is not saying anything right now. They say they are asserting details, but there is absolutely no chance that anyone can survive that sort of crash. There's a video on Instagram that is now going viral. I think we can go across to that.
Oh my God, this is very shocking news. We're in the middle of air show in Dubai. Tejas India just crashed. Oh my God. Ini pesawat tempur Tejas Indian. Tadi baru aja crash saat Dubai Air Show. Gue masih shock. Oh my God. Tadi gue nggak sempat ambil gambarnya karena kehilangan sight gue tadi. Oh my God. Semoga pilotnya baik-baik aja ya. Tapi nggak tahu sih, kita masih nunggu. Aduh ya Allah. Ini orang-orang pada oh my god, this is very shocking news. We're in the middle of air show in Dubai. Tejas India just crashed. Oh my god. Ini ini pesawat tempur Tejas Indian. Tadi baru aja crash saat Dubai Air Show. What
we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, essentially is the first eyewitness account that we are getting from the Dubai airport. I understand that the language is a foreign one, but the intent and the information that this particular person, this eyewitness, is trying to convey is one of shock. He is confirming to us that an Indian Tejas has indeed crashed, and he's in shock because he keeps saying, oh my God, oh my God. Just to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that India currently, as I said, operates two squadrons of the Tejas. One is, of course, squadron number 45, which is the first squadron. It's called the Flying Daggers. It is actually based out of Sulur in Tamil Nadu. And the Tejas that has crashed, ladies and gentlemen, took off from the Sulur Air Base in Tamil Nadu. It has been operational. This particular aircraft that has crashed in Dubai has been operational since 2016, I believe. The second squadron of the Tejas is based out of Nalia, which is in Gujarat. This is squadron number 18. It's called the Flying Bullets. But the plane on your screens, the Tejas on your screens, is from the Flying Dragons, which is the first squadron of the Tejas. In fact, the Indian Air Force, in the process of buying at least 20 more Tejas, in the process of actually acquiring and procuring 200 more Tejas from the HAL. Praful Bakshi, you're on the broadcast with us. There are multiple images now that are emerging for us from Dubai, from the Dubai Air Show, that are showing us live a Tejas crash, an Indian Air Force Tejas crash in Dubai. Any thoughts on what could have possibly happened?
Yes, thank you. Very, very sad news, and very sad indeed. But as you can see, the aircraft, before touching the ground, he had recovered. He was in the process of recovering. That is, positively, the pilot could have pulled the stick back.
Sir, give me a minute here. Sir, give me a minute here. There is big breaking news coming in, and it's very unfortunate news that is coming in. We now are hearing officially from the Indian Air Force once again. I'm just going to read out the entire statement. They are saying an Indian Air Force Tejas aircraft has met with an accident during an aerial display at the Dubai Air Show. The pilot sustained fatal injuries in the accident. The IAF, the tweet goes on to say, deeply regrets the loss of life and stands firmly with the bereaved family in this time of grief. A court of inquiry is being constituted to ascertain the cause of accident. So, Praful Bakshi, the pictures were very clear. There was no chance that anyone could have survived the crash that we are seeing on our screens. But the Indian Air Force now officially confirming that the pilot who was piloting this Tejas has indeed lost his life in this crash. This is tragic, tragic indeed.